Hello, darlings. It's been a long time, but I'm back. I've been impeded from making videos because of life and work and all sorts of random stuff. But for the last two games, what's been on my mind is making a game together with a very good friend of mine, Mirek. And I finally want to present this game to all of you to test and have fun with. It's a new tabletop skirmish game called Guns and Gonzos, and we really want you to be a part of it. Over the next few days and weeks and probably months, we will be uploading some videos and shorts and other contents to the interwebs for you to scrutinize, comment and test out. For example, each Thursday we will try to stream the game, how we test it, how we play test it in Tabletop Simulator. Mirek made a special mod for it, and we will stream it here on YouTube starting this Thursday. The elevator pitch would be Worms Armageddon meets Fantasy Renaissance Europe. Imagine not German goblins shooting bazookas at not Italian skeletons, and the skeletons explode and fly to the other side of the map. The game that we're making is very quick, it's very compact. You only need a 2x2 game board. You need 3 minis for each side, so 6 minis total for 2 guys. And most games take about 30 to 60 minutes. We've made some innovative decisions when making this game and making the rules for it, but we've kept it very intuitive and very easy to learn. We really don't want to interrupt the game flow of explosions and minis being pushed around and thrown around. Really concentrated on fun and not spending hours upon hours just thinking about the game. I'd rather like you play the game instead of think about the game. But this video was supposed to just be a little introduction, and there are other videos down the pipeline explaining the rules, explaining what we've been thinking while designing the rules, how we've been doing it. So yeah, more videos to come, more content to come. In the meantime, if you're interested, if the elevator pitch sounded nice to you, visit gunsandgonzos.com for free playtest rules. We will be also setting up other channels like Discord, Facebook for people to meet up and try the game out. Remember to tune into the live stream on YouTube here on this channel, June the 4th, 9 p.m. European time. It should be 8 p.m. UK time, and I think, and yeah, whatever time it is in your side of the world. I'll see you there and then.